Get it? I like playing. Wish I could be playing soccer right now. I get it. Yeah, come on. Water.
Get it, Jasmine. Good job. All right, look ahead. Kirsten's up there. Oh, Kirsten, get it, Kirsten. Get it, Quinn! Get it, Quinn! Good job, Quinn. Get in front of somebody. Carolina and Jasmine, hang back some. Everybody else get in front of somebody. Watch up here. Watch over on this side. Watch up there. Good job, Carolina. Get back.
Well done.
Come on, ladies. Good job, Julia. Come on, Cyan. Go, Hannah. Come on, ladies. All right, Kirsten's waiting. Get out there, Kirsten.
She drank all of it.
Look in the middle. Look up. Kirsten's open. Go, Kirsten, go. Oh, dang, go. Go for it. Go, Kirsten. Go, Cyan. Oh, good try. Good try, girls. Let's go out. Come on, ball. Come on, ball. Roll on. Atta, girl. All right. Green ball. All right, Hannah, look for somebody who's open.
Go to her sister. Yeah.
Where's your dad? Just play at the playground. Can't even watch the game with Winston. Good, Hannah. Watch this. Get it, Quinn! Get it, Quinn! Oh, almost, girl. Nice. All right, Hannah and Juliana and Kirsten, let's go. Jasmine. Good job. Kirsten's right there. Shoot it to her. Look in the middle, Hannah. Look up. Ah, they're just all over. They are. Quinn, get in front of her. Get in front of her. Get in front of her. Good job, girl. Get her, Carolina. Go, Cyan. Woo! Come on, Cyan. All right, y'all got Kirsten and Juliana down there. Come on, girl.
Mom, can I go down and play with Kaden?
Oh, Kirsten blocked it. Daggum. Yeah, tell her to come back over here. She can't be on that side. Go get her. Carolina. Get back, Carolina!
Kaden is on that side. She's not to the
Get it, look, Quinn! Come on, Cyan!
So you want me to go get Kaden because she's on the
I do. Because you're such a good kid, though. Y'all gotta get it in the goal!
I got it.
Kirsten and Juliana are just waiting. They are. They're like, if you just kick it, then they... Go to her! Go to her, Green!
Go to her, Cyan.
She's got to have somebody to throw it to! Good, Hannah! Now get it in the middle. Ah. Pay attention, girl! No. Come on, ladies. Get on her, Carolina! Now you! Oh my gosh, y'all! There you go. Get it, Kendra! Good job.
Good job.
Y'all got to spread out and talk to each other. Talk to each other.
Good job.
Take it down, ladies.
Oh, Kirsten! Get in there, Kirsten!
Come on, ladies.
Get it back to the middle. Come on. Ah, just like goes by, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's like
Oh.
it's too far in front of you. Get it, Quinn!
Get in front of her, Quinn!
Come on, Queen.
Oh.
It's all right.
Get it, Kendra! Woo!
Come on, Queen.
Get it, Kendra! Good job.
Good job, Kendra.
Kick it, Carolina!
Good job. Come on, Science.
All right, spread out. Look up. Look up. Go, Hannah. Good job, Cyan.
Catch it, catch it! Oh. I don't know why they call it. I'm so confused. Why do you just call that? Oh.
What's that mean?
Turn it around! Good job, Quinn!
So it's like if one of our guys is waiting up there, like next to the goal with nobody by themselves, you can't have that ball.
Good job, Kendra.
All right, girls, Sounders, let's go. You got Kirsten waiting.
Spread out.
Get down, ladies. Good job, Cyan.
Here it comes.
Go, Cyan.
Go, Kirsten. Hustle, Kirsten.
Go, Quinn. Quinn, that's you. Get Jasmine.
Come on, Jay.
All right, Carolina.
What's wrong? Why? I don't understand why that's that call.
I don't understand why that's called. Why I don't understand that things he's calling tonight.
Is it our kick? This way! Carolina, this way! Not towards the goal.
I'm so confused.
I don't know.
It's our ball. It's Sounders' ball.
The ball didn't go out.
The ball didn't even go out. Oh, my Lord.
I don't know why you gave me the ball just now.
I don't either.
So what's happening? Hello? Oh, so now it is our kick.
It's crazy. Each ref does it differently.
Yeah.
Take it down, ladies.
Cyan, get that ball.
Go, Jasmine!
He's lucky back on second.
Stay back, Carolina. Stay back. Watch that side corner. Get in front of her, Cyan. Y'all get in front of them.
There you go. Cover. There you go. Take it, Carolina. Oh,
And let's give them another chance to do that.
even though we're already halfway through the season. There shouldn't even be any chances now.
All right, good job.
Take it.
Wow.